Facts number 1. Louis Vuitton is never on sale. It's worth noting that Louis Vuitton never has sales, they stay at fixed prices all year round. This can mean that there are no opportunities for customers to get their hands on a discounted bag, despite there being plenty of products to pick from either online or in store. The brand is cautioning its customers against buying discounted bags from unknown sources outside of the company, which often result in receiving a counterfeit product. Facts number 2. Louis Vuitton started out selling luggage trunks. Louis Vuitton was founded in 1854 by 33-year-old Louis Vuitton. He started out by making simple luggage trunks, which were sold in his new Paris-based company. When Louis Vuitton died in 1892, the company was passed to his son Georges, only child. The range of luggage trunks continued to expand throughout the 20th century, and in the 1930s, Louis Vuitton also began manufacturing smaller bags and purses. Facts number 3. The famous LV monogram came after Louis Vuitton's death. The LV monogram, one of the most famous symbols on the planet, was actually created a long time after the founder passed away. The iconic Louis Vuitton logo that his son Georges created in 1896 was just 4 years after Louis's death. Thank you for seeing this, and I hope you will subscribe to this channel.